your silhouette. Cities breathing, holding its breath. Every shadow leads to you, like the sky knows what to do. Your touch rewrites the air I breathe, turns my doubt to symphonies. In your eyes I see the flame, calling out my name. Every step we take in the dark leaves a trail of sparks. We're a story born to rise, written in the night. We're standing on the edge of forever, hearts beating wild together. If the world falls down tonight, we'll be burning twice as bright. Oh, hold me like there's no surrender. We'll live with love that can't be severed. Through the fire, through whatever, we're alive on the edge of forever. Thunder rolls, but we don't break. Every storm's a wave we take. Your voice cuts through the noise, like a promise in the void. All the broken roads I knew led my restless heart to you. Every scar just fades away when you say my name. Feel the rush, feel it start, like a drum inside our hearts. No more running from the flame. We were born this way. Standing on the edge of forever, hearts beating wild together. If the world falls down tonight, we'll be burning twice as bright. Oh, hold me like there's no surrender. Like this love can't be severed. Through the fire, through whatever, we're the light on the edge of forever. When the silence tries to steal our sound, when the walls are closing in, we'll turn the echoes into an anthem. Let the revolution begin. Raise your hand, look in my eyes. This is where forever lies. We're standing on the edge of forever, higher now than ever. Every heartbeat synchronized, like the stars held in line. Oh, hold me like there's no surrender. We're a fire in December. Through the dark, through whatever, we're the light on the edge of forever. On the edge of forever, beneath the hush of velvet skies, where silver starlight softly lies, I wandered through the silent air with but a lonely whispered prayer. a vow the restless tides would weep. It moved the night, it stilled the breeze, it bent the will of ancient seas, and in its rise and tender fall, I found my soul. I gave my all. Oh, love, thou art my sacred flame, eternal as the stars proclaim. Through shadowed vale or golden morn, in thee my truest self is born. Like roses trembling in the rain, you soothe the ache of hidden pain. Each glance a sonnet softly sung, each touch a bell forever rung. The world grew distant, faint and small, for you became my all in all. Should tempest rise and kingdoms fall, should fate its bitter trials call, no earthly power or time's decree shall steal my heart away from thee. For bound by threads no blade can sever, our souls are sworn to dwell forever. Oh, love, thou art my guiding star, no night so deep, no shore too far. For in thy light